physio team, Dr. Kelsey here, and today I wanted to talk a little bit about foam rolling. A lot of us hate foam rolling, at first, me included. However, there are some conditions that arise that it's very beneficial for. For example, I'm thinking of my cyclists. As we get into our race season, as we start going through the race season, we're asking a lot of our bodies, specifically our legs. This can result in tightness that we think a lot of times is the IT band. Sometimes it is, sometimes it's actually the quad. A lot of times with cycling, especially if we're mashing our pedals when we're fatigued in a race or fatigued climbing a hill, this lateral quad's going to kick in for us and it's going to try to do all of the work. It's going to result in that muscle getting really tight, irritated, and painful. So let's look at a way to keep ahead of that pain with the foam roller. So I'm going to take my foam roller and I'm going to start off in the traditional sense of getting that leg. I'm going to turn my leg in a little bit so we can get to the outside of the quad. And we're just going to kind of roll over that, see if we can find a spot in the quad that's kind of sticky or that hurts so good. From there, we're just going to relax over the foam roller for a couple seconds just to get used to that sensation. If you feel like you need a little more from there, we're going to go ahead and bend the knee and straighten it out about 10 times. This is going to give us a little bit of pressure on that tissue as it's in both a lengthened and shortened state, allowing us to more effectively release that tissue. After you complete 10 of those, you can move on to another spot or stand up and see how it feels. If you continue to deal with this tightness or IT band pain though, give us a call. We'd love to help you with it.